Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to DM on X, or previously known as Twitter. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your browser and go to www.x.com, which will redirect you to the Twitter website. Alright, so once you're on this website, on the left hand side you can see the option for messages. Click over here, and here you can just click on this new message, or I'm just going to click on write a new message, and now search for the person. You can search their username, so I'm just going to search. Alright, so I can just select this person and now click on next. Alright, as you can see in this notice, only verified person can send the message to the user that have not followed us. So to send the message, either a user has to follow you or you have to subscribe to the premium version. So that is the only way you can DM a person on Twitter. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.